Well, welcome everybody to the A537 Fiddle as we're about to leave Macclesfield, which is a 30 miles an hour area, entering the Fiddle towards Buxton, which eventually leads you on to the A53. Today is Monday, the 4th of June 2007. It's a weekday, so we might expect a bit of traffic, and it's a 50 limit. Quite wooded as you start, overhanging trees. Just be very wary in damp conditions where the damp does actually lay. And if we can, we'll try and make 50, which we are spot on now. You can see there's plenty of signages, there's chevrons, slow on the road, bend signs. This first section of bends is fairly tricky, so don't rush. Because if you rush the first 2 or 3 series of bends, it puts you off for the rest. This is a fairly tight one, but you can see over the brick walls. That leads you on to another left, then a fairly straight section after that. And then we got a road that bends to our right, and then it says left. Bit of a tricky section this one, so don't rush it. Like I said, start off nice and easy, don't rush things or it'll spoil it for the rest of the road. This one's a particularly nasty one, the left hand bend coming up now. Once you've cleared that one, there isn't many more to catch you out in the first section of the Fiddle. As you can see, there's it says here police air traffic control, obviously for speed enforcement. The road now starts to open out, and as we said, it's now a weekday. You can see the heavy goods vehicle approaching. And we're back up to 50. Sun's gone in, pity, but not to worry. Road surface is dry, visibility good. Still a lot of heavies on the road itself. Yeah, the problem you've got is a 50 limit, so if cars are travelling at 45 miles an hour, really, you shouldn't be thinking about any overtakes. But you could probably get them on the uphill sections. It's fairly wide, fairly blustery here. As we said earlier, it is a weekday, you've got heavy goods vehicles, there's a couple in front, there's also a buzz. As the road descends to our right, and then to our left. It looks like we're going to be hampered by the buzz. You can see right across the road itself. But there's one less. You can see it's a fairly twisty road itself, but quite enjoyable. Plenty of signage is up, chevrons, slow on the road, single white lines to prevent any overtaking. And we'll have an overtake here. We'll just go in front of the lorry. He's slightly off, not too bad here. you can get past the buzz, it'll give you some idea of what the road's like in the second half of the Cat and Fiddle. These bends are fairly demanding, but not too bad if you treat them with respect. It's looking favourable for a possible overtake. I can see one car in the distance. No, he's going to hamper me. Definitely going to hamper me. But there might be an opportunity after this left-hand bend. I'll just clear the junction. Yep, we're okay. Watching the crossroads itself. As the road goes round again to our left, chevrons once more. You can come off this bend and look right across the valley itself. We've got a series of bends here. We've got left after this right, so there's a right onto left. And then right onto straight onto hairpin right. And then it's fairly straight across the valley there. And once again, speed reduction signs, bend signs first to the left and then to the right, slow on the road. Heavy goods vehicles approaching again. So we've got left, onto right, onto left. We'll probably try and do it on a more sunnier day than today, but it's supposed to be British summertime. I can see in the distance, looking across the valley, there's a vehicle towing a trailer. It's coming towards us. We might meet on one of the bends. We can see him now. And we've picked that up way in the distance. And off we go up to 55050. This is where the road hugs the hillside. You can see right up the valley itself to the top of the mountain. In the distance you can see bend warning signs. And the road appears to go round to our right, goes straight, and then a long left. Looking across again, you can see in the distance there's a great big aerial. That's where we're heading for, which is a Cat and Fiddle public house. We've got around a series of bends before we get there, which is left and right, right and left. One motorcycle approaching, chevrons again. And we've got a car that's just pulled out of the junction, so we're very mindful of that one. We've got a straight coming up, so we might have the opportunity to overtake him. But no, he's doing 5050, we're doing 5050, and he's actually pulling away from us. There's a new paintwork been put on the road here. You've got red tarmac, slow on the road, reduced speed signs, chevrons. And it looks like it's wild and woolly at the top of the Cat and Fiddle in June. What a lovely, lovely day.